and denominator both are functions of x, we do quotient rule. What do you mean quotient rule? D by dx of u by v is v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v whole divided by v square, where v equal to vx and u is equal to ux. Now we apply the same formula for this log x square by x square. So y is equal to log x square by x square. So dy by dx is equal to x square d by dx of log x square minus log x square d by dx of x square whole divided by x square whole square. So what we get? X square, derivative log x square is 1 by x square and derivative x square is 2x minus log x square and derivative of x square is 2x whole divided by x to the power 4. So x square cancel, we get 2x minus log x square into 2x by x to the power 4. This can again be written as x can be cancelled, 2 can be cancelled. You get 1 minus log x by x cube. Okay, so we'll get, so what we get it here is 2x will be cancelled. You get 2 here and x will be cancelled. You get 4 log x. Why so? Log x square, I'll write here. Log x square can be written as 2 log x. Okay, so from that we get 2 minus 4 log x, or you can take 2 common, 1 minus 2 log x by x cube. Let us verify the answer. 2 minus 4 log x by x to the power 4, wrong. 2 into 1 minus 2 log x by x cube, option B is correct. So we got 2 into 1 minus 2 log x by x cube, dy by dx.